What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and today we have another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Luhair, for sending us this 14-inch deep wave lace front wig bob. Modeling today, we have Finesse Goddess back in the building, and I already know this is going to be hella cute because, honey, she be rocking them short haircuts. Okay, so they sent us some gifts. I appreciate that. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and take our green alcohol and cleanse off the application area. Then we can go ahead and apply this wig. Alright, sis got some leftover glue from last time still on her scalp, and honey, my OCD will not even allow me to put a wig over old glue. So we got to get it all off. Alright, so now I'm applying my liquid lace glue at least half an inch away from my model's hairline. If you guys are interested in getting your own bottle, make sure you hit up galaxygirlhair.com right now. Alright, let's wet this down and begin our style. Now, when I tell you guys nothing is more satisfying than a good old wet down, I know it's satisfying to watch, but it's even more satisfying to do it, okay? Okay. I am so sorry. I'm such a perfectionist. Like, I've always been like that. I just can't. It has to be perfect. All right, you guys, so we are done with this look, and as you can see, the baby hairs are laid. Okay, the braids are laid, and everything is just really cute. So once again, thank you so much, Luhair, for sponsoring this video with this really cute 14-inch deep wave lace front wig. If you guys are interested in purchasing this product, I have all the information in the description below. Check them out today. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that, honey. Okay? And turn on your notifications.